Eat hearty, boy.
Hansel, she's a witch. I know. Be careful. She wants to cook you. Oh, Hansel, I'm scared.
What are you two talking about? Now, you know that isn't polite. Dear, would you please check the fire in this oven for me?
Oven?
Yes, oven. That's it. Now move. And you, young man, eat your cookies so you'll get nice and plump.
How do you look in an oven?
Oh, very simple. Just open the door. That's right. Now look in and make sure that everything is all right. See if the fire is nice and warm.
How?
With a match under your eyes.
I'm sorry, I still don't understand. Maybe you could show me.
Well,
then I know I could do it just right.
Very well. Now, see, you just put your head in like this.
Push her. Oh, Hansel, we're safe. We're safe. The wicked witch is dead. It serves her right. Let her turn into a gingerbread cookie. Just think, we almost became gingerbread children. Look!
The gingerbread fence suddenly came alive. All the gingerbread people were once again children. The curse of the old witch was gone. All the little children were so happy that they danced a circle around Hansel and Gretel. Just then, Hansel and Gretel's parents found them. They were so happy to see their children safe that their father invited everyone to take as much cake and candy as they wanted from the old witch's house and come to their house to celebrate with a party. And so off they went through the forest, singing and dancing. Hansel and Gretel were safe. The wicked witch was dead. And all the children were free.